If you want to enable or disable the blue light filter, also known as eye protection mode, on OPPO Find X9, then in that case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna choose the display and brightness, and now in here if you scroll down we have the eye care section. Now in here we can find the eye comfort and sleep, which automatically adjusts the screen to a warm yellow hue based on environmental changes, enhancing visual comfort and making it easier to fall asleep at night, which is quite useful when, for example, you are trying to read at night. But there is also the eye protection over here that is custom, where you can manually adjust the the filter actually, so you can make even warmer colors over here. We can also create a schedule for this mode, so it can be automatically enabled and disabled whenever you want to, and we can also switch between the black and white and color options. We also have reminders, so your phone can remind you at some point that you might want to use the eye protection mode over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.